everyone. Welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 39, and I'm your host, Lily. Always excited to help you improve your English in a fun way. Today, we're talking about something everyone loves, ordering food in a cafe or restaurant. Picture this. You're traveling in an English-speaking country, you walk into a cute little cafe, the aroma of fresh-baked bread and coffee fills the air, your mouth is watering looking at the menu, but then, panic. What do you say to the waiter? Don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll feel confident ordering anything you want.
Hello, I'm Ben, Lily's co-host and official foodie of the podcast. Oh yeah, Lily, that scenario is spot on. I remember my first time ordering in English abroad. I pointed at the menu like a caveman because I was too nervous to speak. But now, I'm a pro. And today, we're going to practice together with lots of repetitions, fun role plays, interactive pauses for you to repeat out loud, and even some silly stories to make it memorable. Let's make ordering food super easy and enjoyable for A2 to B1 levels.
Absolutely, Ben. We'll repeat key phrases many times so they stick in your brain like your favorite song. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Let's start from the beginning. You walk into the cafe or restaurant, the host or waitress greets you with, "Hi, welcome. How many people?" Or simply, "Table for how many?"
Yes, that's common. Your response, "A table for one, please," if you're alone. Repeat after me, listeners. Pause the podcast and say it out loud. A table for one, please. Great. Now again, a table for one, please. Feeling good? If with a friend, a table for two, please. Let's repeat that 3 times for practice. First, a table for two, please. Second, a table for two, please. Third, a table for two, please.
Perfect. You're already sounding natural. For a family or group, a table for 3, please, or a table for 4, please, or even a table for 6, please. Ben, practice with me. Say a table for 3, please.
A table for 3, please. Your turn, listeners. A table for 3, please. Awesome. Sometimes they ask inside or outside if there's a terrace. You can say inside, please, or outside, please. Repeat, inside, please, and outside, please. Imagine a sunny day. Outside, please.
Nice one, Ben. Or if you want a window seat, a table by the window, please. Repeat that. A table by the window, please. Now you're getting fancy. Once you're seated, the waiter says, "Here are your menus," and then, "Would you like something to drink to start?" Or, "Can I get you any drinks?"
Drinks first. Always a good idea. Common phrases. I'd like a coffee, please. That's polite and clear. Repeat after Lily. I'd like a coffee, please.
I'd like a coffee, please. Now you say it louder. I'd like a coffee, please. Excellent. Variations. Black coffee is just coffee without milk. A black coffee, please. Repeat. A black coffee, please. With milk. Coffee with milk, please. Say, coffee with milk, please.
Haha, Lily, you're a coffee expert. What about espresso? An espresso, please. Short and strong. Repeat, an espresso, please. Or the big one, a latte, please. Or a cappuccino, please. Let's repeat, a cappuccino, please. And for extra fun, a cappuccino with extra foam, please, because who doesn't love foam? Repeat, a cappuccino with extra foam, please.
Guilty. I love foam. Now, tea time. A cup of tea, please. Simple. Repeat 3 times. A cup of tea, please. A cup of tea, please. A cup of tea, please. Green tea? Green tea, please. Herbal? Herbal tea, please. Or specifically, chamomile tea, please. Say, chamomile tea, please. Relaxing.
For cold drinks, a glass of water, please. Important, stay hydrated. Repeat, a glass of water, please. And the big question, still or sparkling? Still is flat, no bubbles. Still water, please. Sparkling has bubbles. Sparkling water, please. Practice both. First, still water, please. Then, sparkling water, please. Again, still water, please. Sparkling water, please.
Good repetition. Juice lovers. Orange juice, please, or apple juice, please. Repeat. Orange juice, please. Soda, a Coke, please, or a Sprite, please, or generally a cola, please. Say it, a Coke, please. If you want no ice, please. Repeat, no ice, please.
Or with ice, please. Now let's move to food. The waiter comes back. Are you ready to order? Or what would you like to eat? If you're not ready, a few more minutes, please. Polite. Repeat, a few more minutes, please.
Yes, no rush. When ready, look at the menu sections, appetizers or starters first. I'd like the soup as a starter, please. Repeat, I'd like the soup as a starter, please. Or, we'll have the salad to start. Say, we'll have the salad to start.
Appetizers are small dishes before the main, like nachos, please, or bruschetta, please. Fun word, bruschetta. Repeat slowly, bruschetta. Now, bruschetta as an appetizer, please.
Yummy. Now, main course. For the main course, I'll have the chicken, please. Repeat, for the main course, I'll have the chicken, please. Or, the fish of the day, please. Say, the fish of the day, please.
Veggie options. The vegetarian pasta, please. Repeat, the vegetarian pasta, please. Or, a salad as my main, please. Healthy choice. A salad as my main, please.
Pizza time. Everyone's favorite. A margarita pizza, please. Repeat, a margarita pizza, please. With toppings, a pepperoni pizza, please. Say, a pepperoni pizza, please. Extra, with extra cheese, please. Repeat, with extra cheese, please.
Extra cheese is life. Customizing. Can I have the burger without onions, please? Important if you hate onions like me. Repeat, without onions, please. Or no tomatoes, please. Say no tomatoes, please.
Or add, with avocado, please. Repeat, with avocado, please. Questions to ask. What does this dish come with? Or what are the side dishes? Key, does this come with fries? Repeat, does this come with fries?
Sides. Can I have fries instead of salad, please? Repeat, fries instead of salad, please. Now, allergies. Very important. I'm allergic to peanuts. Repeat, I'm allergic to peanuts. Or nuts generally. I'm allergic to nuts. Say it clearly. I'm allergic to nuts.
Or gluten. Is this gluten-free? Repeat, is this gluten-free? Spicy check. Is this dish spicy? Repeat, is this dish spicy? The waiter might say a little spicy or very spicy or mild.
Mild means not spicy. I'd like something mild, please. Repeat, I'd like something mild, please. Recommendations. What do you recommend? Or can you recommend something vegetarian? Repeat, can you recommend something vegetarian?
Great phrase, the special of the day, please, because it's usually good. Repeat, the special of the day, please. Now, let's do a full role play. I'll be the waiter, Ben, the customer. Hi, welcome. Table for how many?
A table for 2, please, by the window if possible.
Sure, this way. Here are the menus. Would you like drinks to start?
Yes, I'd like a cappuccino, please, and a still water.
Great. And for your friend?
She'll have orange juice, please.
Okay. Ready to order food?
Yes, for starter, we'll share the nachos. For main, I'll have the burger with extra cheese and fries on the side.
And for your friend?
The vegetarian pasta, please, without nuts. She's allergic.
Noted. Anything else?
That's all for now.
See how natural that was? Now, listeners, pause and practice your own order. Say out loud. Start with drinks. I'd like a tea, please. Then food. I'll have the pizza, please. Add details with extra cheese, please. And allergy, no nuts, please.
Super. During the meal, need more? Excuse me. First word. Repeat, excuse me. Then, can I have more water, please? Full, excuse me, can I have more water, please? Or ketchup. Excuse me, some ketchup, please.
Or napkin, please. If something's wrong, excuse me, this is cold, but politely. Usually, everything is great, thank you.
When finished, waiter asks, "How was your meal?" You say, "It was delicious, thank you." Repeat, "It was delicious, thank you," or "Very good, thanks."
Not perfect? It was okay, thank you. Now, dessert. Don't forget. Do you have dessert menu? Or directly, "I'd like ice cream, please." Flavors, chocolate ice cream, please. Repeat, chocolate ice cream, please. Or tiramisu, please. Yummy Italian dessert.
Cake, a piece of cheesecake, please. Repeat, a piece of cheesecake, please. Coffee after, an espresso to finish, please.
Perfect ending. Now the bill. The check, please, or the bill, please. In America, check. In UK, bill. Repeat both. The check, please. The bill, please. Hand gesture. Mime writing in air.
Paying, I'll pay by card, please. Repeat, by card, please. Or cash. Splitting, separate checks, please. Or can we split the bill? Repeat, can we split the bill?
Tip. In US, common 15 to 20%. Just leave on table or add to card. Phrase, keep the change if paying cash.
Cultural note, not everywhere tip is expected, but a smile always is.
Let's do an interactive quiz. Ben says a situation, you respond out loud.
Situation 1. Entering alone. Say, "Good." 2. Want coffee with milk.
Awesome. 3. Allergic to dairy. Perfect. 4. Recommend something.
Nice. 5. No spice.
You got it. 6. Pay time.
Right. 7. Loved the food. Fantastic. You're pros now.
More practice. Common menu words. Breakfast, pancakes, eggs, bacon. Eggs and bacon, please. Lunch, sandwich, soup. A ham sandwich, please. Dinner, steak, salmon. Medium rare, please, for steak doneness.
Rare, medium, well done. Well done, please, if you like cooked fully.
Drinks more. Hot chocolate. A hot chocolate, please. Smoothie. A strawberry smoothie, please.
Fast food style. At the counter, to go or take away. For here or to go. To go, please.
Or, take away, please.
Café specifics. Pastry, a croissant, please. Muffin, a blueberry muffin, please.
And always polite words. Please, thank you. Thank you when served.
Let's roleplay another one, longer this time. You be the customer, listeners. Imagine my voice as waiter. Welcome. How many? And you pause and say, "A table for 4, please." Follow me. Drinks? You pause and say, "2 coffees, 1 tea, and a sparkling water, please." Food? You pause and say, "For starters, soup for 2. Mains, 1 chicken, 1 pasta, 1 salad, and a pizza to share." Any changes? You pause and say, "Extra cheese on the pizza and no onions on the salad, please." Perfect.
Well done if you practiced along.
One more story. I once ordered large fries but said big French fries. Still worked. English speakers understand efforts.
True. Confidence is key.
Let's list key phrases again with repetitions. Greeting. "A table for X, please. Fill your number."
Drinks. I'd like, please. Coffee, tea, water.
Food. "I'll have the, please."
Customize. With, please. Without, please.
Questions. Is this X spicy, vegetarian?
End. The check, please. Thank you.
To wrap up this long episode 39 on ordering food in a cafe or restaurant, we started with getting a table for 2 please, practiced numbers and preferences like window or outside, then drinks, "I'd like a coffee please, still water please, with milk please." Food ordering, appetizers, mains, desserts, "I'll have the pasta please, extra cheese please, without nuts please." We asked questions. Can you recommend something? Is this spicy? I'm allergic to. During meal, excuse me, more water? At end, it was delicious. The check please. Split the bill, please?
We repeated everything many times, did role plays, quizzes, and stories to make it fun and memorable.
You did amazing practicing with us. Now go out or imagine and order in English. Start small, like just a coffee. You'll feel proud. Mistakes? Laugh like we do.
True, confidence is key.
Let's list key phrases again with repetitions. Greeting. A table for X, please.
Drinks. I'd like, please. Coffee, tea, water.
Food. I'll have the, please.
Customize. With, please. Without, please.
Questions. Is this X, spicy, vegetarian?
And the check, please. Thank you.
To wrap up this long episode 39 on ordering food in a cafe or restaurant, we started with getting a table for two please, practiced numbers and preferences like window or outside, then drinks, I'd like a coffee please, still water please, with milk please, food ordering, appetizers, mains, desserts, I'll have the pasta please, extra cheese please, without nuts please. We asked questions, can you recommend something? Is this spicy? I'm allergic to. During meal, excuse me, more water? At end, it was delicious. The check, please. Split the bill, please?
We repeated everything many times, did role plays, quizzes, and stories to make it fun and memorable.
You did amazing practicing with us. Now go out or imagine and order in English. Start small, like just a coffee. You'll feel proud. Mistakes? Laugh like we do.
True. Confidence is key.
Let's list key phrases again with repetitions. Greeting. A table for X, please.
Drinks. I'd like, please. Coffee, tea, water.
Food. I'll have the, please.
Customize. With, please. Without, please.
Questions. Is this X, spicy, vegetarian?
And the check, please. Thank you.
Thanks for joining Think in English, the podcast. Like, subscribe, comment your favorite food phrase.
See you next episode. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep thinking and eating in English.